In fact, Mr. Speaker, there are some of our former colleagues, like the one who was here this afternoon, Honorable Lelelit. You know, Mr. Speaker, as PSC, we normally allow our former colleagues to have access to this house, but as long as they conduct themselves in an honorable manner. Our information that has reached Mr. Speaker indicates that the moment you made a pronouncement, Mr. Speaker, Senator Lelelit has been captured running like 100-meter stag. Yeah, Governor Lelelit. He has run faster than Omanyala out of the precincts of this house to escape the implementation, Mr. Speaker, of your directive, Mr. Speaker. I've never seen somebody run like the way Lelelit has run from Parliament, Mr. Speaker. I think, Mr. Speaker, we must, this gives us an opportunity to sit down, Mr. Speaker, and consider whether, as a House, we should relook at our standing orders, Mr. Speaker, and give this House powers to pass a resolution to bar some of these characters from getting access to Parliament. Because it's a shame for that governor to walk to Parliament, line up media, without even the permission of the Speaker. You know what happened to former Speaker of the House of Commons, John Biko? He's the only Speaker in 200 years who was denied the power of peerage. He's not called a lord, and he does not get access to the House of Commons. People like Senator Sakaja should not come to take not photos. He frequents our bar here. We should bar him. He cannot come to take a drink in our beautiful bar here, but he cannot appear before a committee, Mr. Speaker, to answer to the audit queries that have been raised by the Auditor General.